name is Haskip, and welcome back to more Battle Cats. For today, we've actually gotten through all of Chapter 2, because it's like the same thing as Chapter 1, except everything's more expensive, and now we're on the moon. I know actually I've changed up my team a bit. No, I don't want Gamatoto. I've actually leveled up Gamatoto a bit. Last time I looked at this, I got the Ototo Corpse, which is this. I still don't really know what it does yet, but I think it's just upgrading your base. So I've changed around my team a bit. So now I got Moneko on my team. I evolved her into Miss Moneko. I evolved Sumo Cat into Madam Sumo. I got Mister, who I evolved, and I got Cats in the Box, who's really good. Mister's really good too. I also evolved Cats in the Box. I put Sniper on my team because he has really long range for his boss, and I thought there was a guaranteed Uber event going. There was one, but I didn't have enough cat food. I also don't have enough cat food for this one because I've been using it because I've been stupid. So this is best of the best. Yeah, 100% Uber super rare. Limited super rares too. Yeah, so there's that. But we're not doing that today. We're gonna hopefully beat the moon. Hopefully we're gonna get to try Into the Future, because I think Into the Future has aliens, and I only have one Into-Alien, and that's a Sniper. So hopefully I can beat this level first try, because this level is not gonna be easy. What are you? Okay, that's not good. What are you Send out a lot of ninjas. Send out a lot of meat shields. Okay, that's not very good. Need to stack up for my Uber. That's what I really need right now. I need to stack up for my Uber. I think I might be able to do that already. Because my Uber is the one that's going to really help me in this battle. Oh god, what is he doing? Oh god, okay. Send him out, please. Send him out, yes. Okay. Oh god, Moneko already died. That's not good. I need a lot of ninjas out here. Send out a Mister. Yes, Mister, wreck them. Send this up. Fire the cat cannon, please. Just kill him, please. Please. Oh my god, he has so much freaking... Oh no, this is not good. They're pushing me back to my base already. Wait, send out a Giraffe Cat. Giraffe Cat's gonna help me in this. This is really not good. I need a lot of meat shields. I need a lot of just everything out here because... Oh god, my Uber's already almost dead. Are you serious? No, that's not good. That's not good. Send out another Sumo. Send out everything. I cannot let my Uber die. I will not let my Uber die. I cannot let this happen. Oh god, send out everything I possibly can. He hurts a lot. No, send it. No! Oh. Push him back. Push them back. That is very good. Save up, please. Just save up for another... I can't save up. I need to send out more stuff, or else I will die. Oh god. Cats in the Box actually survived a hit from him, but then immediately died. This dude hurts so much. How long is this battle gonna be if I'm even gonna win? He hurts so incredibly much. It's not even really him. He doesn't attack that much. It's just the stupid rhinos and the hippos and stupid penguins. Oh my god, that hurts so much. Ninja's like the only good anti-red I have besides like maybe Viking. Yeah, and he just clears through everything when he does attack. Yes, send another Uber. Okay, yes. Okay, we got our second Uber out. Our money's at max. Please, I want to send out another Moneko, please. Yes, alright, send out everything to me, Shield. Sniper Cat, hopefully you're doing work. You should have a lot of range. You should have a lot of range, please. I can barely even talk right now because I'm so focused on just killing him because he hurts so much. These stupid freaking things. Oh my god. Send out everything. Send out another sniper. Now I got 2 snipers. That should be good. That should be good. Oh god, I got enough money for another Uber. I have so much money right now, I don't even know what to do with it. If I could send out another Uber, I would, but I can't. Fire the cat cannon, please. Yes, push him back. That is good. Pushing him back is good. I want to kind of stay in this money range because I can get another Uber out soon. Come on, yes. Send out another one, yes. This is good. Oh, he's getting pushed back. That's good. I have so many cats right now, and they're all getting worked because of them. Oh, I hate you so much right now, boss. 3/4 of the episode is just gonna be me struggling with this stupid thing. It hurts so much. Yes, we can't do his attack. That's good. Send another Cats in the Box. Yes. Send everything. Please, kill him. Oh my god, yes, Moneko, go do your work. Moneko, do your critical hits. He barely moves too, so that's good. Yes, send another Cats in the Box. Send you out. Oh god, send out everything. Oh my god, how long have I been doing this fight? I don't even know. I could probably check, but I don't have time to check right now. It's like, I don't even use Cat God at all. I don't even remember what he does. I think he costs cat food though, which is not good. Oh no. I can't leave my Uber exposed. That's not good. Send out more. I can't leave him exposed or her exposed or whatever because she's going to die and I don't want to let that happen. Okay, the death thing hasn't happened yet. That's good. Yeah, I want to send out another one, please. Yes, okay, that's good. Send out you, send out you, send out you. Send out everything right now. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore because I'm just like babbling about what the heck freak is going on. I got 2 Ubers out right now. Oh, there we go. There's the first one's almost death. Okay. Good that I sent out another one. Send out you, send out you, send out you, send out you. Yes, the snipers are hopefully doing work. I really hope the snipers are doing work right now. I can't tell. Fire the cat cannon. Kill him, please. He has so much health. Send out Moneko, please. Please, send him out. Yes, please, just kill him. Oh my lord. Oh my god, please just die. I'm sweating right now, dude. Oh no, that's not good. Send out. I have 3 snipers out now. My god. Please just don't let this Uber die. Please save up enough money to send out another one at least. Send out you, please. Let me send out another Uber, please. It takes so long to attack, too. Oh, God. You hurt so much. I think we're doing good though, but like, this is like the most time as I've sent out an Uber, cause like, we really need him right now. Kill him! Please, no, I thought he was dead! Oh, I would've been so happy, but no. Of course that couldn't happen. Please. Moneko, yes, please, Moneko. So move faster. You move so slow. That's not good. I'm good, Giraffe. I'm just sending out everything I possibly can. I'm not barely even hitting him because he's so freaking far away. Oh, no, please, no. Okay. Please, just kill him. Oh my god, I don't even know if we're gonna have time to do the thing. Yes, Moneko, get those critical hits. That's good. Critical hits are good. Just get out. Shoot. Dude. I can't save up because I need to keep meat shielding. But I can't keep meat shielding because I need strong things. But I can't keep not meat shielding because I need to send out the Uber. But I can't. Oh, what am I saying right now? Yes, another one. Send him out, yes. Send out you. Fire the cat cannon. Kill him. No. He has so my health. At least he's back at our base, but like, my god, you just died. I am so focused right now. I don't care right now, like, stupid notifications. I just want you to die. If I die after this, I am going to be so... Yes! Oh my god! Yes, we killed him! Send out everything to destroy him! Oh, how long did that take? I don't even know. I can't even check. It's lagging so much. That took me like 12 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god. We sent out like 4 or 5 Ubers. Oh, the stress is real. Oh, I literally had goosebumps. It was so hard. We had to keep maintaining. It wasn't even really but I can't even send out anything else. I literally can't even send anything else out. I literally can't even send out anything else. I literally can't do anything else. Oh my god. I'll send you out. I can even send out another Uber. Send out you, keep sending stuff out, because I just don't want to lose to stupid normal enemies. Even though I literally can't. They're taking it down so fast. Literally lagging because of how much they're destroying it. Yes. Oh yes. Send out another Cats in the Box. Just absolutely mow them down. I am so happy right now. You, Arte, we win. We got an achievement. Suppress the world. We got an inferior moon. We got the treasure. I'm so happy we got the treasure. Okay, is this just the same thing? Don't tell me this is the same thing. After all the battles, the world was over. Yeah, this is the same thing. I'm just gonna... Alright, I didn't even know if I paused it. A new chapter for Empire of Cats is available. Oh yeah, we get Valkyrie now. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't even know if I showed you, but when we beat Chapter 2, we get Valkyrie. New chapter of Empire of Cats is available. Select the Empire of Cats from the title screen to take on new challenging stages. All filter enabled. You can see the all capsules in your storage. Visit the upgrade menu of the book. The level cap is your cats have become even more powerful. Yes, we can level. All clear bonus. You got Valkyrie. Yes. Valkyrie. Battle Cats. Chapter 3. Revival of Bahamut Cat. Oh yes, Bahamut. I forgot we can get Bahamut when we beat chapter 3, we get Bahamut Cat. Oh yes. Missions. Claim. Beat chapter 3. Oh my god, yes. Like, no, look at all cats. Special cats. Special cats. Yes. Valkyrie cat. Unit acquired. I'm going to shove all of the XP I can on you. Yes. I have a new rare cat. Didn't I already look at this? Oh yeah, I got pirate cat today. Forgot about him. Oh my god. Alright, let's look at Valkyrie. Ooh, wait. She's special. Unlocked Valkyrie Cat. Descended from the fields of Valhalla to provide salvation for the battle cats. Use the heavenly spear Meownier. Attack. Area of attack. Oh my god. The spear just has a cat face on it. Oh, it's hilarious. I want to put her on my team. I don't know who to change out for her. Yeah, I also unlocked Samurai. I mean, I evolved Samurai Cat into Ninja Cat. Let's put Valkyrie instead of, I would say, Sniper. She costs 4,000. Oh my gosh. Do I have more cat combos? No, I do not. Alright, well, we're not gonna do chapter 3 of the normal campaign just yet, because we have Into the Future to do. Into the Future, time enough for cats. Yes, clear Into the Future chapter 1 to unlock new cat combos. Okay, so that's how we get the cat combos. Can I upgrade my normal cats too? Yes, I want to upgrade Wallcat. Wallcat is very good. Upgrade the normal cat too. There we go. Yes, that's good. Let's start. Where are we going? Japan. Everything looks different. Oh, was this time score? What's this? Time score. I'm gonna move this over here. Time score. Japan. Rewards list. Cat food 10. A cat CPU. Okay, I have 24 speed ups. Oh my god. What rank am I? So I'm ranked 290. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Let's just see what's gonna be in here, because, like, we are underwater? Everything costs the same. Right, now I should be able to upgrade the cat wallet, the cat rate, and everything. And now Valkyrie costs 3,000, not 4,000 like 4,000 I should do before. I just sent out a couple cats and they're wrecking everything. You got anything special level? Like, I'm just gonna save up. See if I can. Oh, okay. What are you? Send up cats in the box to kill it. What is that? Is that an alien dog? It's like a squid. Oh. Well, we killed it. Okay, I thought it was gonna be more of a threat, but you should have gotten them. Yeah, cat CPU. We didn't get the... We didn't get the 10 cat food? I would. Japan. Time score. 8,500. Oh, we're so close. Alright, let's go to Korea. Let's see what Korea's got. Okay. I think there was an alien. But it looked more like what? It just didn't look more like what? It looked, what is that? Is that like lettuce with a spaceship around it? I'm so confused right now. What is this? Okay, I should probably like end the episode here, but what is that? After this level, I think I'm gonna leave this episode here, but oh my god, what is this? Is there gonna be another alien in here? I don't know, but I want to save up to send out Valkyrie. Okay, like, I just want to see her mow down everything. Can like those three just like kill a hippo? Can they really do that by themselves? They killed the Rumble Cat. They killed the Tank Cat. Okay. Send out Valkyrie. Oh my god. Look at her. Okay, she is very strong. Okay. This is probably way stronger if she was, you know, higher level, but I'm very happy with her because she is very strong. There's another weird tentacle dog. Oh my god, did we just kill that in one shot? XP 2,000, 25,000, I think? 2,500. 25,000, okay. And well, you know, I'm gonna leave this episode of Battle Cats here. And if you liked the content you saw, definitely hit the like button. Maybe hit the subscribe button too, alright? Definitely appreciate it. And also, leave a comment if you want to see more Battle Cats. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep on gaming.